Hello, so this week I've been slacking a little bit, so we're going to play some catch up. First and foremost, we'll do this one for January 9th. It's going to be folding these. I guess we'll be making another one of these bases. Except I slightly overlap them. And there we have a dress. A couple of steps I didn't explain there, but you know, all works out in the end. Blammo. Next one, we're going to be doing another cupboard base. A lot of these next ones are going to be cupboard bases. No, never mind. Next one is not a cupboard base. So we're making a Peppy envelope. So the way that we make this is we start with a cupboard base. Then we unfold it, and we do a half fold. And then regular fold. I'm just very intently looking at the instructions to make sure I'm doing this right. Um, oh, I was supposed to put this in here. Ooh. Somewhere along the lines, I feel that I screwed this one up, but in general, it kind of is the right shape, but definitely not the right way to do this, because basically it's supposed to be a little bit longer so that I can then tuck this in here. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to go, but not in this way. So I was supposed to make it a little longer, but I didn't, and as a result, it is a little bit weirdly shaped. So, yeah. Either way, I at least got close to what it was supposed to be with a peppy envelope. Now let's move on to something a little easier. We'll fold like this, and then fold it out like that. Well, to make it easier, I'll get these pre-folded so that I can then invert it. Okay, and that looks like what it's supposed to. All right, and that was the inside reverse fold. Now the outside reverse fold. I'm not actually looking at the instructions on this. I should probably do that. Hold on. So, just like before, we start with this, and then we fold it down like that. And then we unfold it. We fold this here. More of a gonna fold it both ways because then it's at least ready to do the next part. Okay, this is basically the fold, but I would need to bring it just a little bit higher to match what they're putting down So I'll do that. I'll get it just a little bit higher. And then open it as I close it. I hope this works, but it's fighting me considerably because of other factors. Oh well. This is the closest I seem to be able to get, unless I were to fold it like that. Oh, I needed to fold it more. Okay, so that's the fold that I was looking for. And that is what I needed to do today. And next is going to be the grasshopper. So I'll start with a base like this. And then I'll fold these two up at a slight angle. Well, yeah. Not quite all the way. And the same thing on the other side. Alright, and that leaves me with this. And then I'll need to do the same fold that I did to get bloop, 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 bloop. And it will just go forward. Okay, and there's a grasshopper. Now, just to be one ahead this time, I'll do Saturdays, which will be another one of these. This one's actually Saturday and Sunday, so I'll be 2 days ahead. So, I'll fold that. And then again, I'll do this fold. On both sides. And then I'll fold this down. And these down. And finally, I'll put this down. And that gives us a nesting bird, which I also need to add. Ooh. An eye, just a simple little eye. So there is our little nesting bird. Wowee. So there's all of the origami for this week. Sorry I haven't been on top of it. It's been cold and I've been tired. And so yeah. Next we'll be doing a dove. So look forward to that. And it should be an edited video, unlike this week. I'm just playing catch up. So yeah. All of these are lovely origamis.